Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session, what we're going to do, the first line, we're going to repeat it 10 times. So you get good practice. So you can repeat after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jeem. 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 So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.